So it's almost that time, guys. Nvidia's earnings are not this Wednesday, but the Wednesday after. I think the date's the 28th. Let me double check that. I'm pretty positive. Yes, the 28th of May. Yup. So we're going to break down Nvidia's earnings in this video, kind of some numbers, what analysts are thinking right now, and we're going to go over the charts, how the stock's looking, what I'm doing. Pretty jam-packed video, guys, so hit the like button. Of course, don't forget to subscribe. Take a sip of your coffee. Very important, guys. Take a sip of that coffee, and let's dive into it. And oh, by the way, for my portfolio updates, check out the Patreon. No pressure, obviously. And for the free email stock newsletter, almost forgot what it was called, check out the link down below as well. So Nvidia is clearly starting to break out on the charts. It has been now for a couple of days. This is nothing groundbreaking or nothing new in terms of news, but overall the trend is in the bulls' favor again. We were in a downtrend here for months. I mean, on the 4-hour chart, you're noticing Nvidia was trading in the 150s back in November, and we got all the way down to $83. That downtrend lasted for 5 months, from November pretty much to April. And then really it was just about 10 days to 2 weeks ago we started breaking out of this channel. You're noticing it here on this time frame, right? So it actually took more like 5 to 6 months for this downtrend to start breaking, as we just started breaking it literally 10 days ago. So Nvidia is now really starting to see momentum pile up into earnings. And with this move here, we're now about, I think, 15 to 20 bucks. Yeah, about 12, 13% away from all-time highs, just like that, just after we were at $83 about a month and a half ago. So we're up 62% off the lows, guys, which is insane. And I'm so happy I was buying this dip. And this is exactly why you don't panic sell. You don't freak out and sell out of your favorite stocks and try and buy them back at a cheaper price. You never do that because you can miss out on something like this, and then you'll never buy back, right? But yeah, we're up big time, starting to break out, trends moving in the bulls' favor, heading into earnings, which is good. Now, the million-dollar question is, will these earnings propel the stock even higher? Will they, continue this momentum, make it stronger, or will we see Nvidia fall flat on their face if earnings are maybe a bit disappointing? You know what I mean? Maybe guidance is soft. Will it come down 10, 20 bucks a share? This is the million-dollar question, and unfortunately, I don't have the crystal ball, so I don't know exactly what's going to happen. I'm not gambling on earnings. I'm not buying calls or puts. I used to do that years ago, lost a lot of money doing that, made money, of course, as well. But it's just way too 50-50. So for me, I'm just holding on to my shares, sitting on some cash right now just in case the stock dumps. Maybe we could buy more, maybe sell some cash secured puts. But I'm just sitting on my hands, sitting on the shares I already have right now. That's what I'm personally doing. And let me come over here now and show you some numbers regarding Nvidia, the earnings, what analysts are thinking. So let me pull this up. And by the way, guys, join that free email stock newsletter. I know I shouted it out earlier, but I can't shout it out enough because there's a lot of value there. We have over 3,500 people in there. I send out my top stocks weekly, and it's free. Again, linked down below. So the market cap now, with this crazy run we're on, the market cap, by the way, was like 2.3 trillion. I think it got down to 2.4. But now we're back over $3.3 trillion as of this video, guys, about a week and a half before earnings. And the PE ratio on a trailing 12-month basis is a 46. So that's come up a lot as well. Obviously, as the stock's price has come up, the P's come up as well from where it was just a couple of weeks ago. But you could argue there's still some value there, considering how much Nvidia is growing and how much they're expected to grow, moving forward. Obviously, growth has slowed down, but it's still pretty high. It's still the company's still doing well. Let's just say that. So 3.3 trillion. I don't know if this is the biggest company now. I'm not sure where Apple's at, Microsoft's at these days. Whatever. It doesn't matter for the sake of this video. But that's where we're sitting at. Basic numbers. Market cap, PE, got some other ones here, but I think the forward P is lower. If we zoom in here, the forward PE is a 31, which, I mean, I would argue there's still some value there, with a 31 forward PE. I think when I was buying it, when the stock was crashing a couple weeks ago, I think it got down to like a 20 or a 22 forward PE. I forget exactly how low it got. Correct me in the comments. Let me know if I'm wrong, but now it's at 31, but that's still decent, honestly. I'm not buying Nvidia shares now hand over fist, but especially because I was buying them a couple weeks ago. But if you weren't in Nvidia already, not saying you should buy it. This is not financial advice. Do your own research. But if you weren't already in it, you could look at this and be like, all right, 31 forward PE, stock's growing nicely, the company's growing nicely. It might not be a bad time to start adding a little bit or to initiate a position. It's still not, it's not too late. Honestly, I think, I'm not, again, loading the boat personally. I'm not buying now because I was buying a couple weeks ago, but let's say you missed that move. I don't think you're forcing it too much, initiating a position here, but I wouldn't go all in. I'd wait a little bit, wait till earnings come out. If the stock comes down 10%, for example, then I would start buying more. But that's just me. Do your own research. Analysts right now are mostly saying it's a buy, it looks like. Yeah. Analysts have, let's see, based on 64 analysts as of May, we have 12 strong buy ratings, 44 buy ratings, a couple hold ratings, and maybe one underperform rating, barely any. So that's pretty reassuring there, like I was saying before. I think it's still decent valuation-wise here. And price targets, the average on Wall Street is $163 a share. The low's 100, which I think has gotten, that was raised, I think recently, or like last month, it was like 80, $90. So that is now 100. And the high price target on Wall Street is $220 a share, which obviously we're well off of that. I think Nvidia, man, honestly, is still a decent deal here. It's not a screaming buy like it was a month ago, but it's still not too shabby. And look at these numbers expected. So based on 37 analysts, the average EPS estimate is 87 cents for this quarter. They're about to report for. The low estimate is 64 cents. The high is 98 cents. And a year ago, they did 61 cents EPS. So from 87 cents is what the average estimate is, or from rather 61 cents last year to 87 cents, the average estimate. Not too bad growth EPS-wise there. And revenue, check this out, guys, solid as well. Based on 38 analysts, the average estimate is $43 billion. The low is 39. The high is $44.7 billion. And a year ago, they did 26, I can't even say it without laughing, $26 billion of sales. 65% revenue growth is what's expected, which is very good, very good. And again, this goes back to that forward PE of 31. Not crazy high considering this is the revenue growth projected. And even at 44 PE, trailing 12 month, 65% revenue growth, you can justify it. I don't know. What do you guys think? I could be wrong. I could be an idiot. But overall, I'm long the stock. I own it. I've been buying it for months, and I was going heavy about a month ago, and I'm glad I did because now I'm up big time on those shares. I couldn't be happier. So what do you guys think? Are you buying? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Join the free email stock newsletter, the Patreon, all that good stuff is linked down below. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you in the next video.